Right, there's a proper classic. It's my 1978 352H Pete. It's powered by a 3408 Caterpillar, a pre-cup engine with the preheaters. She's 450 horse, coupled to a 15 speed. All original really. We just had the cab rebuilt and painted to original spec, because in November 1978 she was Peterbilt's flagship advert truck, and she was in the Overdrive magazine of November 78, brand new. A little walk around. She's running, as you can hear. Motor's sweet. Very sweet. This is a proper classic. We just put the glass in yesterday and fitting her up with a few bits. Lots of work to do yet, but just another one of our projects that we got to get on with. Like we got quite a few. Anyway, there she is. Peterbilt 352H, 1978. Bought new by a guy called Bill Rowell. Well, that was in the magazine in 78. So I don't know where he is now. But that's his truck anyway. Yeah. Trucks everywhere. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.